Hello guys, welcome to my channel Perfect Knowledge. In this video, I will be guiding you on how to use Hindi keyboard on your laptop or on your computer. And the best thing is that it's all simple. So let's start. So we will start by clicking here on English Indian and then clicking on language preferences. By clicking on, we will be redirected to language settings page. So now what all we have to do is to just click on add a language, this plus sign. We will type in Hindi here. We will select Hindi, click on next, and the important thing to note is to ensure that all these three boxes are enabled or there's a tick on them. So we'll click on install. So as you can see, the status of our Hindi language is pending. I will show you when it's complete. Hey, so it's downloading there and it's installed. So now what we have to do is to click on this Hindi and we will get an option of options. We'll click on it, and as you can see, we have two options, add a keyboard and Hindi traditional. You want to write your sentences in English and then convert them into Hindi. So the best option for you would be to go here, select add a keyboard option, and from here can you see this Hindi phonetic option, input method editor. So you need to click on this and one more keyboard would be added to your Hindi language. So now to check whether it's working or not, we will go here and search word. So word is opening. We'll select a blank document, and to write in Hindi we need to ensure that the language selected is Hindi, otherwise we won't be able to write in Hindi. So we will go here, and as you can see, two more keyboards have been added here after we have installed our language. So we will select Hindi phonetic and now we will start typing. So I want to type my name is Atharv in Hindi, so that becomes Mera naam Atharv hai. So I will type that. You see, it's so simple. And if we want to write in English again, then we will go here, again click on this option. We will select English United States, English India keyboard, and we will be writing smoothly. So that's all in this video. I hope you liked my video. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. It's Perfect Knowledge.